Poland is being hit by a series of extreme weather events, as powerful thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, hail, and strong winds move across multiple regions, causing widespread disruption and damage. In Wrocław, intense rain quickly flooded streets, especially around Ulica Krzycka, turning roads into deep water channels within minutes. Similar conditions were reported in Borowska and Partynice, where residents faced heavy downpours, sudden hail, and dangerous driving conditions as unstable storm systems developed over Lower Silesia. Storm warnings also highlighted risks of further hail and strong wind gusts moving toward the city and surrounding areas, including the S8 Expressway.
Jasny chuj.
Outside the city, Wielkopolska experienced severe storm impacts, with hundreds of incidents involving fallen trees, damaged infrastructure, and blocked roads. In Leszno, one of the most affected locations, storm damage caused significant disruption and emergency response operations. Further north, Pyrzyce recorded an extreme rainfall burst of around 50 liters per square meter in just 25 minutes, leading to localized flooding and waterlogged farmland. This short but intense rainfall event highlights the growing risk of flash flooding during convective storms. Additional storm activity was also reported around Lubsko and Wschowa, where multiple storm cells continued moving across western Poland, bringing unstable weather conditions and ongoing risks for residents.